Hey guys, it's Lauren and Miller with Bakery Bling. We are going to teach you how to put together the Day of the Dead chocolate house. We are so excited to bring you this. It is new this year, and of course it comes with one of our Insta houses. So the first thing we're going to do is what? Take everything out of the box, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're going to open up your box and you're going to take everything out. And it comes with two different kinds of icing. So you've got orange and purple. You may also get one white bag, one purple bag, or clear bag. Don't be alarmed. We've got a couple of different machines in production right now. So you may get two white bags, two clear bags, but it's still the same. Okay, you've got the thermoform. What do you think of that? It's new. That's exciting. We've got our chocolate cookies. We have our pieces. This comes with 2 glittery sugars and pearls. So we are going to get started and get this going. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take everything out of the box. Then you're going to take the cookies out. The most important thing is to start getting the cookies out so we can decorate these. We are going to decorate the cookies flat, and then we're going to put the house together. So we're going to let everything dry, and then we'll put everything on the thermoform. So we're going to take our cookies out, and we're going to start with our roof first, okay? So when we look at the roof has some scalloped edges. So you're going to see these. You're going to open up your orange icing, okay? The fun thing about the white bag is you don't need scissors. You could just make the tear, and we're going to start decorating the roof. Ooh, you want to taste it? You like it? Little job. Tastes good? Miller approved. So scallops down, and you're just going to follow the roof line. You want to try, Mel? Okay. You may need to massage the bag of the icing first for about 2 minutes before you open it. That's going to help it be more fluid as you're trying to work through it. Yeah, that's perfect. If it's not perfect, don't worry, because we're going to put the glittery sugar over it. And while she's doing that, I'm going to start opening up all of our components. So once we get all the icing on this, okay, we are going to sprinkle it with the glittery sugar, okay? And then you're going to do the other piece as well. All right, so once you're finished with your roof pattern, you're going to put on your glittery sugar just like this. You're going to try and keep it over your bowl, not to make a mess. And then you are going to set both of these roofs over here. We're going to set ours over here to dry. You're going to want to do the same thing. So let it dry, and now we're going to move on to our fronts. So the pieces that you are going to want to take out are the little black one that looks kind of like it has sun around it. We've got a front door. We've got 2 little blue things that look like a heart. Well, it could look like a heart, kind of. But you're going to use these, and then you're also going to use both of the orange and the purple icing. So we also have these 3 little pieces of flag, which is our green. Yes, green, blue. We're going to need those. And we're going to need 2 pieces of bone. So you're going to use all those pieces. And while you're doing that, I'm going to help decorate the front. Okay, I'm going to get the front door on. Again, you're going to stick a little piece of it to your icing. Perfect. We're going to take this. It's actually a really fun activity that the whole family can do. So while she's using the purple icing, or orange icing, I'm going to use the purple, and I'm just going to go and we'll switch back here in a little bit. This is going to make it really easy and fun to put together. Okay, always easy too. You can follow the picture on the house if you aren't sure what to do, but we're going to do the door. See how I've got my door, and then I've put on the little sun, and then I've done little purple dots around it, okay? Now I'm going to do little purple dots around the door. So I'm going to do the door. The icing too, you guys, is really pliable. So let's say your dot doesn't quite come out right. Go ahead and touch it with your finger. You're going to be able to move it, and it's okay.
I did it.
Oh, help. Is that what you did for the back of your door?
Yeah.
I love it.
Some feet.
He needs some feet? Okay. And as you can see, I mean, you can let them have a good time. Show everybody what you did. Help. It's really cute. You did a great job. Okay, so now this. You like it like that?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna take the little blue Miller calls them a heart. They kind of look like wings. They're just decorations. We're gonna put those on the top, and then Miller, we have to do a heart in the middle, and we also need to add,
That's the heart.
you got the heart?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you do the heart. I'm gonna take your orange for a second. I'm gonna give you the, let me just do the dots with the orange. Okay, we're gonna add orange heart there. Okay, now you're gonna do a little heart
Right there.
right in the middle, okay? Just a little one. Oh, that's so good. That's so sweet. You did such a good job. Yep, you can kind of move it around. See, you did a perfect job.
Now you gotta do orange on that.
Now orange on it?
Up top. You see?
Up top. Where? Oh, 3 little dots. You are absolutely right. How did I miss that?
I'm gonna do I'm gonna do star.
Okay. All right. Now we're going to put this off to the side. She's finishing up. Oh, that's a pretty star. Okay, make sure we leave enough icing, Mel. We still got to put this together, and we still have to do our windows. Okay, so now we're going to put our windows together, and you want to just follow the line of the windows, okay? Pretty simple. And then you're just going to go across the window line, the window panel, and then down, and we're going to add, I want you to do the next one, okay? So let's show everybody at home. Just you're gonna outline, see the window, you're just gonna outline it there, okay? So go ahead and take your window and just follow the line. So we have just gotten done doing our window. Ooh, you want the purple icing? Miller's taking the purple icing, and we have some extra pieces, so I'm letting her add those to the house where she wants them. You want the bone right there, okay? And then let's wait till we get the rest of it together. Maybe you wanna throw the hand on something, or we'll see. You ready? So let's let this dry. Can we set this over to dry for a second? And when we come back, guys, we are gonna put this together and we're gonna show you how easy. Miller, how old are you?
8.
8. You think you can do this all by yourself? Okay, we're gonna teach her how to do it. So us moms, right, don't have to sit there holding a house. All right, guys, now we're gonna start the assembly. We've got our Insta house. We've got all of our pieces. And one thing Miller just did is, you see all the little candy skeleton pieces. You can actually eat these pieces. They're extra. Do you like them? Yeah, it tastes like candy. So if you're going along and you want to eat a hand or a bone, feel free to. All the pieces on these houses are edible. Okay, so we're going to start with Miller's creation of the back. You wrote help with your skeleton and did some stars. So I want you to take the icing and just put
X.
an X. Yes, ma'am. Squeeze it. Yep, that's perfect. Here, you want me to help you? Okay, so we're gonna just a little bit bigger, yep, like that, and just do that. And we're gonna stick it to the house. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's perfect, Mel. Okay,
Could you hold this
yes, I can.
side out?
You're gonna ice the back? Yep, just like that. It's okay if it's not perfect. Yep, just get enough on. And go to the top of the house now. Yep, just like that. You don't need a lot of icing. It will stick to the back really easily. Okay, and we're gonna take that and we're gonna stick it on. Now there's a little overlap that comes out. Make sure that you get the cookie on top of that. You don't wanna stick it under it. Sometimes you can get gaps if it's not close enough, if that makes sense. So, okay. Now we're gonna take the sides. Here, I'll take that one. Here, ice it up. X again, girl. Got it. Perfect. A little bit more on the next way. Ooh, I like it. You're doing such a good job. You want to put a little dot in the middle just for good luck? Okay. We're going to stick that to the side. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Such a good job. Now if you see a dot in the middle, okay, now if you see any gaps, don't worry, we're gonna go back and we're gonna fill those in, okay? So this one is going to stick on there. Oh, ho, ho. Did you dump it in your bowl? No, okay. So don't worry, we're gonna just stick it on here perfectly, okay? And it will instantly just stick to this. Perfect. Now on the top, really important though, you also want to put a little bit of icing just down this side. Does that make sense? And down the front side of the cookie, it's going to help the cookie stay. Okay, now we're going to take that. You want to go scallops going down. It's okay. Part of the fun is making the mess. Perfect. Okay. That's good. Little dot in the middle. Good job.
I'll do the side thing.
Oh, don't do that yet, baby girl. We got to get this on. Oh, you mean the side? You're right. Hold on. You're so right. Okay. You're just taking the sides. Yep. Doing it on the side edge of the cookie of the house, front and back. Okay. Good work. And we're going to stick that to there.
Just do it down the middle
Yep.
now?
Now just do it down the middle. And just like that, you have yourself an Insta house. Yay, Mill! Okay. Good work. Okay, let me see that for just a second because now
There's some dots in the middle.
well, don't do that yet because we got to still get on all of our other pieces. Okay, and I'm going to go through now and fill in any single gap that you may still see thermoform through. It's okay, not a big deal. We're just going to fill it in with icings. All right, now we've got our skeleton face.
I'll put the skeleton face on.
You do? Okay, I'm going to put a little icing on the back, stick him to the front,
Where's he go?
right there. See, look, you can always go back to the picture. Perfect. Now I'm going to take this right here and we're going to,
Put dots.
yep, you can put some dots on that. Okay. Put the dots on the front of the house.
Look,
We could always stick a bone too. We've got an extra bone in a hand. You want to stick them in?
yeah.
Or where do you want to put them?
I want to put the bone in the hand.
Actually, no, that's for in front of the tombstone. Okay, put your pearls on.
I gotta put them
Let me help you.
here.
Got them?
On the edge.
Okay.
And I go here.
Purple. Now you. So now we're going to find a platter or something we want to put this in, and we're going to do the rest of our pieces. Okay, so we are finishing up. We've picked a plate for our chocolate Day of the Dead house to go on. Miller did the back, and I know you guys were there and you saw the help, but she's named him Joe. So now we've had to put Joe on the tombstone since Joe is who died. So very clever and creative. So there's your tombstone. Make sure that dries. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry for a second. Okay, so I put the green grass in the bowl. Now I'm just gonna kind of take it in the front and kind of put it around the house, kind of shake it around. And Miller is gonna come back and she is going to decorate all of the front of the house now. So you can see, this has been fun. Just spending a little bit of time with her, seeing how creative she is and watching her get better at these houses is always fun to watch. And I think as you do these kind of projects with your children year after year, you really see how much better they get at decorating a cookie or putting together a house and their creativity that they can make, and they can make this their own house. So it's been fun to do. Have you had fun with this? Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part?
This and that.
Joe and, okay. Good job. All right, guys, for more activities, for more fun, get ready for the holidays because we have so much to bring to you guys this year. But you can always check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and check us out at bakerybling.com.